Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio, and we've got another car we're getting ready to put on the lot here. I wanted to share this with you. This is a 2012 Chevy Cruze, beautiful blue color on the outside, black cloth interior. Now this car does have a 1.4 liter turbocharged engine, so it is a 4-cylinder engine, but with that turbo, it's going to give you some nice horsepower. So it should get you a fairly nice fuel economy. But isn't that a beautiful blue color? Nice rims on this car. Go ahead and walk back here. We'll show you the back. And to pop the trunk up, right there. We'll back away and show you what everything looks like. Get in here close, nice and clean. Okay, we'll continue to do our walk around on the driver's side. Then we'll go ahead and open the doors and take a look on the inside. Let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, here we go, guys. Nice black cloth interior. Show you the headliner, appears to be in good condition. Black door panels. Okay, guys, here we are showing you the inside now. We'll get in here in just a minute. Show you the door panel here, your window controls, and your controls for your lighting. Let's go ahead and hop inside. Okay, guys, here we are on the inside of it. I've got it running. Show you around just a little bit, and then let's go ahead and take a look a little closer at your gauges. You can see the mileage of this as of now, 145,245 miles. And we'll back away and you can see your controls for your cruise control on the left. It does have Bluetooth capability. Will connect with your smartphone. Controls for your audio is here on the right. And go over here and show you your display right here, LCD display. Come down, you've got your controls for your radio, clock, and information, and door lock and unlock. And get down here, you'll see your climate control settings, your gear shift. You do have a 12-volt port here, 2 cup holders. Now here you do have an auxiliary and a USB port for all of your electronics. And here you can see the back seat area. You got plenty of leg room that is available back here. And I just popped this open. You do have a storage area right here also up on the dash. So it's pretty nice. 2012 Chevy Cruze, 1.4 liter turbocharged engine. We've got a lot of lenders that are willing to loan money, so feel free to give us a call with any questions, and hope you have a great day.